How to sign out Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign out your application. First of all, open it. Now, here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So, here in your profile interface. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings. Now, this is the settings interface. Here on the last option, you can see this sign out option. Tap on sign out. Make sure that you want to sign out your account. You also should make sure that you have your login ID and password saved with you. Now you can even tap on remember and simply tap on the sign out button. So you have been signed out. Now in order to sign in, you must write your email and your password and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.